Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So we continue our bearish journey here. So mostly the points that we discussed yesterday was correct. Its CPI numbers was just 1 decimal lower than expected, and speculators have tried to shake the boat, but with the levels that we have specified, this was rather accurate for possible position taking, as we called yesterday split position, take it to parts, and actual reversal has happened around the resistance that we talked about. So currently today we will get also producer inflation, but I suggest that here we could get weaker numbers. It's just because the industry United States shows definitely signs of some kind of the depression or slowdown, and we have the deflationary processes in the manufacturing and production. And from that standpoint, this is not just a drop in inflation. This is a sign of the slowdown of the production and actually some deteriorating of the real economy sector. If surprisingly we will get some jump in the PPI numbers, well, all the better. So in this case, downside action just could accelerate. Currently, we probably could talk about on a daily chart this level, which is because it is confluence support around 1.50, 1.70 probably area. Better to say 1.60, 1.70. And take a look daily oversold. So we probably could treat it as the bottom for this week. Hardly market will break it down, but still it could reach it, especially because take a look market now is breaking at the nearest standing level of 1.950 is already broken. By taking a look on the intraday charts, by the way, once again, so here's recall what we talked about the high waves. High waves very useful stuff. So fake breakout already has put the bearish foundation, and take a look indeed. Market has broken the bottom and keep going lower in the direction of the breakout of the high wave pattern. So this is process of the decision making. Here is indecision, decision has been made, market keep going lower. So that's what we have around the high wave. Currently we do not need anymore. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, that's what we talked about, our ABCD targets and patterns. Let's take a look. OP has been reached. With this strong acceleration, obviously we could suggest deeper downside continuation. XLP shows perfect agreement with the support area on the daily chart, 1.850. This might be reached especially if it will be some support from the external factors. Maybe some more scandals will be around debt sale or something of that sort. And if, for example, PPI, as I said, will be greater than expected, this also could push euro down, or better to say dollar up. In this case, we could say some acceleration. Next nearest standing targets is around 109. This is 127 extension of this retracement, so we call it as a butterfly, just by its shape, but by the nature, it's not quite a butterfly. Anyway, we could use it for possible next destination points. On the lower time frame, let's take a look what has happened yesterday. That was our consolidation. That was our, if you remember, XLP target of minor ABCD pattern here, and resistance around 110 area. We have started our analysis yesterday right there. So we said take the halfway position here. If somehow, maybe on the CPI report or somewhere, market will show upward jump, that's the next area to keep an eye on possible entry. So from that standpoint, market hasn't broken our vital area that we have specified here. And it's considered progress that we see. Here is some kind of the butterflies also is forming, which agrees with the OP target on the fall time frame chart. And if you haven't taken any short position here, if market will show here's minor bounce, well, somewhere to 109.50 maybe, just 30% retracement. You could try to use it for a possible position take if you would like to. Take a look at next target of this pattern is 109 even. It agrees with the same larger pattern. It's also 109 even. this larger butterfly. So that's 109 probably will be next destination point. And then we will see what will happen, focusing on this 108.50 as a short term, our final destination point. So that's what we have currently. Let's keep watching what will happen. Obviously, we're not consider taking any long positions by far, based on the background that we have. For a short entry, as we said, just keep watch for, you could keep watching for some minor pullback here, and some even from most last swing down, so 30% probably. So that's actually what we could say currently on euro currency.